Hello friends, welcome to ANBG study group. And this video I am going to share you some important institutes in India and Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Odisha, Kerala, and in Pune we are having so many various institutes. One by one we will discuss. See, one more important thing, in all the competitive exams you can take FDA, SD, KS, IS, police and RRB railway exams and even army exams. One question will be asked from this section. We'll discuss one by one. First, in Hyderabad, yes, we'll start now. A National Geographical Research Institute, Center for DNA Fingerprinting and Diagnostic, National Institute of Nutrition, Sardar Vallabhai Patel National Police Academy. These all are located in Hyderabad. With that, in Hyderabad, we are having National Institute of Rural Development, Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. These also having their headquarters in Hyderabad. And next, Tobacco Research Institute, Central Tobacco Research Institute, having their headquarters in Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh. And now come to the New Delhi, or we can take Delhi. In Delhi, Indian Council of Agricultural Research Institute. Just I mentioned the year, but in the previous exams, maximum times they have asked the only place of the institute. They have not asked the establishing year. We will discuss only places. If you need, we can see the dates also. Important is place of the institutes. Next, Indian Council of Agriculture Research Institute, Indian Meteorological Department, National Institute of Immunology, Central Road Research Institute, National Highway Authority of India, Road Research and Agriculture Research Institute. These all are located in Delhi. Next, in Delhi, we are having some more border roads organizations. Say about road related research institutes and organizations. They are having their headquarters in Delhi itself. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Indian Institute of Economic Growth, Indian Institute of Ecology and Development, having their place in Delhi. Important institutes in Delhi, we are having some more. Loknayak Jaiprakash Narayan National Institute, Criminology and Forensic Science, National Institute of Disaster Management, Defense Research and Development Organizations. Remember this full form, DRDO, having their headquarters in New Delhi. In Uttarakhand, we'll see Indian Forest Research Institute, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, Indian Institute of Petroleum, and Survey of India. These all are having their places in Dehradun. Indian Forest Research Institute, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, Indian Institute of Petroleum, Survey of India, having their places in Dehradun. Next, in Uttarakhand, we are having some more Central Building Research Institute, Roorkee, Aryabhatta Research Institute of Observation Science, Nainital, Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, Mussoorie. Remember this, they have asked so many times in the previous exams. Remember this one is important, Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, Mussoorie. Next, in Gujarat, Plasma Research Institute, Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad Industry Research Institute, Ahmedabad, Central Salt and Marine Chemistry Research Institute, Bhavnagar, Gujarat, Anand Institute of Rural Development. Anand is a place in Gujarat. Indian Diamond Institute, Surat. And come to our state, Karnataka, Center for Ecological Science, Indian Institute of Astronomy, National Tuberculosis Institute, Central Power Research Institute, Raman Research Center, Indian Institute of Science. They having their headquarters in Bangalore. Next, and sorry, here I mentioned Gujarat, but they should be in Karnataka. It should be Karnataka. Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Bangalore. Central Food Technology Research Institute, Mysuru. This also they asked so many times in the previous exams. Central Food Technology Research Institute in Karnataka means Mysuru. National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience, Bangalore. Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, established in the year 1969, Bangalore. Indian Institute of Science, IISc, Bangalore. And Maharashtra, Film and Television Institute of India, Pune. National Environmental Engineering Research Institute, Nagpur. Indian Institute of Geomagnetism, Mumbai. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, TIFR, Mumbai. Bhabha Atomic Power Station, Trombay. Come to Haryana. Say International Solar Alliance, Gurugram, Haryana. National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal, Haryana. National Brain Research Center, Manesar, Haryana. National Institute of Animal Welfare, Faridabad, Haryana. And the West Bengal, Geological Survey of India, Kolkata. Ordnance Factory Board, Kolkata. Archaeological Survey of India, Kolkata. Central Research Institute for Jute and Allied Fibers, Kolkata. Now West Bengal, we are having still two more. Indian Chemical Biological Institute, Kolkata. Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute, Durgapur, Kolkata. Tamil Nadu. In the Tamil Nadu, we are having Central Electrochemical Research Institute, Karaikudi in Tamil Nadu. Central Leather Research Institute, Chennai. Sugarcane Breeding Institute, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Central Leprosy Training and Research Institute, Chengalpattu, Tamil Nadu. Important institutes in Uttar Pradesh: National Sugar Research Institute, Kanpur. National Sugar Research Institute, Kanpur. Indian Pearls Research Institute, Kanpur. Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow. Indian Institute of Toxicology Research, Lucknow. In Uttar Pradesh, still wearing some more. National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow. Indian Sugarcane Research Institute, Lucknow. Birbal Sahani Institute of Paleoscience, Lucknow. Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Bareilly. Central Rice Research Institute, Odisha, Cuttack. National Institute of Science Education and Research, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Central Coconut Research Institute, Kasargodu, Kerala. Turtle Rehabilitation Center, Bhagalpur, Bihar. Institute of Microbial Technology, Chandigarh. Institutes in India, say some of the institutes: National Metallurgy Laboratory, Jamshedpur. Indian Institute of Soil Science, Bhopal. Central Potato Research Institute, Shimla. High Altitude Research Laboratory, Gulmarg. Defense Institute of High Altitude Research, Leh, Ladakh. Indian Institute of Natural Resins and Gum, Ranchi, Uttarakhand. Central Potato Research Institute, this is repeated, Simla, Himachal Pradesh. Central Scientific Instruments Organization, Chandigarh, Punjab. High Altitude Research Laboratory, this also repeated, Gulmarg, Jammu Kashmir. Thank you friends for watching the video. We will meet in the next video. Subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Please like the video. Thank you.